At the Thought Bulb, we believe that learning is about doing, feeling, and experiencing. That's why we've made experiential learning our mission. Our mission is we help you build better teams so that your teams can drive business result for you by offering indoor and outdoor team building, virtual, and learning-based programs. We make learning experiential and fun for you. We're proud to work with Fortune 500 companies across the globe, delivering over 127+ unique team-building experiences tailored to the needs of each team. Indoor and outdoor programs. Come discover 67+ indoor and outdoor team activities, virtual programs. Let's explore 51+ virtual activities across mobile and web for 3,000 to 3,000 participants according to your need. With support over desktops, tabs, and all mobile devices, explore virtual programs. Spark your team's creativity and engagement with our versatile quiz and poll platform. Icebreakers to brainstorming sessions on single platform. Let's have a look at what leaders are saying about us. Discover why we are leading the team building industry. Explore the power of experiential learning. Let's build better teams and amplify employee engagement together. Visit www.thethoughtbulb.com to learn more.